Hey guys! So, it is the day after Universal and today we're gonna kind of lay low because yesterday I think I may have maybe pulled a muscle, but I'm like stretching it out and everything. But I when we got home, I went to the bathroom, I put on my pajamas, and I rolled into bed. Like, that's not an exaggeration. It was crazy. I was so tired. So I lifted my hair, and it actually doesn't look that bad. It's a little frizzy, so I just put a bandana over it. And it looks really, really cute. And I'm wearing, so all of my shorts are in the wash right now. So right now I'm wearing, my pajama shorts that I got yesterday. They're so cute. So they say Gryffindor, and they're just yellow and red, and they have buttons. It's really cute. Then I'm wearing my Coca-Cola shirt from Target, and I believe this bandana is from Target. Today I'm just gonna put on some mascara, and we're going to like Hobby Lobby. We're going to Hobby Lobby. We're going to Home Goods. We're just going to a bunch of random places. Barnes & Noble, and yes, but yes. So I failed and didn't vlog while going out. Ooh, this is going down. Okay, so basically, this face mask is really, really cool. So basically, it's just the sheet part of the mask is what you buy. It's called a compression mask. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's just a compression mask, and then it comes in a little dish thing, and so you put in like a cleanser or a lotion or something, and then you put in some water, and it opens up, and then you open it up, and then I put more cleanser on my face, and it already had cleanser on it, and then you just stick it all over your face, and it's so cool. But yes, I love this thing. It's so cool. And we got a sweatshirt, and we put on my Hogwarts patch. I got, ow, shoot. But yes, I'm just waiting a couple more minutes. I'm just getting ready for bed, and tomorrow we're going on a hike. Ha. I finally remembered to vlog while I'm out in public. Are you proud of me? I know you are. We are currently looking for a yoga mat.
Sporting goods. No, we're not. A yoga bag.
Yoga bag. Why do I keep on saying yoga
We
mat?
have 3 yoga mats.
Why do you have 3?
Because your mum gave me one, I gave me one, and I bought one.
Why'd you buy one when you already had 2?
I needed one because I had a hole in it.
Well, I'm out and about, so that's not. Oh, there's some yoga mats.
Hey, what is that?
Are you want it in these colors? That seems about right. She said she got it here. Well, would that be good? We're looking for a yoga mat that will fit, or a yoga bag that will fit a mat and some blocks and some yoga stuff. Not even a color you want.
No, I don't want this bag. It's too big. Way too big. Oh, these are what everybody's wearing right now.
Yoga socks?
Yeah.
That's stupid.
It would take me half my class time to get them on.
Yoga mat towel? I thought the whole point of a yoga mat was that so. Maybe you could ask somebody. Somebody that I used. Oh my god.
Another one. This is different.
I'm gonna go look in home decor while you do that. Home decor, it's right here. Okay. Wet. I want those stools. Ow, this shirt is hurting my shoulders. We're turning around. Because I want to go. Okay. Where's the...
I don't like it there. You can
Why?
get it pinched.
It'll be okay. Why am I not worried about my phone and you are? Reed diffusers. I love the reed diffusers.
You like candles?
I like reed diffusers. Because I'm not allowed to burn candles because I'm irresponsible.
I got a candle, I just don't use them.
Okay, I want kids' room decor. Right there, right there. Ow, this is hurting my shoulders so much. I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder top. It really hurts. Never stop exploring. Oh, that looks softer than it is. I want these sheets because I'm such a kid. There's ice creams though. Who doesn't want ice creams on their sheets? Let's be. Oh, it's Pua! Can we look by the stuffed animals? Can we look by the stuffed animals?
What do you want to buy a stuffed animal for?
Because stuffed animals.
You've got more animals than you need. There's not more animals than you want.
I want more stuffed animals. Where's the... Ooh, that looks soft. That's only a body pillow cover. Can it be a body pillow, please? Are you telling me to leave a Target with its own name on a street if I haven't been in every aisle and you're telling me to leave it?
You have Target.
Yeah, but not one with its own street name. Yes. No, it's mainly if it has its own street name or not. Clearance. You always gotta stop and look at the clearance. There's cushions. Oh, is this clearance? Nah, that's not.
That's in those.
No, this is. That is. The comforter is. I want this quilt. That is like the most. This isn't on clearance though. I guess it's in the off to college shop, not the clearance. I didn't hit him.
Or give away some of my clothes.
You did? Why? Where are the stuffed animals? My mom's gonna hate this vlog, me looking for stuffed animals. That's okay. Oh, I want this basket. Why can't they have this at my Target?
The one you tied.
What? I say just get a big bucket and put some. Ooh, I like this one. It's fluffy. Why would I like a Persian cat? Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. One sec. I'm back. Where? Wow, that was really loud. Yes? My sister loves these things, but she knows all the answers to all of them now because she's in high school. So, she's quite frustrated. I've always wanted one of the little chandeliers in my lockers, and everybody just says they're so stupid, but I don't care. I've always wanted one of the little chandeliers in my lockers, but everybody says they're so stupid, but I don't really care because they're so cute. There's a rug. There's a magnetic succulent. That is the cutest thing ever.